Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 7 a.m. and today I'm going to ride from Guwahati to Saura, also known as Cherrapunji. The idea was to leave around 6 so that I can beat the city heat. I could not find my rainliners and now I'm heading straight to the wettest place on earth. Fingers crossed. The greenery just welcomes you once you enter Meghalaya. The weather seems surprisingly pleasant while crossing Bonihat. Is what I thought. Green trees and blue skies is exactly what I'm here for. The joy of riding in the Sunday morning lies in escaping the mad traffic. Boy, the way this engine growls is absolutely exhilarating. It's around 8 and already reached Umyang. This place is generally packed with people taking selfies, but I guess it's too early. Shillong is generally traffic free on Sunday mornings since most of the people head to church. Talking about traffic, there is this construction of a bridge going on. Be aware of this traffic while exiting main Shillong. Wow, the 4-lane near the Emmet Cafe seems almost complete. They say this road is expanded to increase tourism for Dalby. Okay, time for a detour. So I came across this place in Instagram called Khedankla. Basically it's a picnic spot with a stream and pine trees around. And we are here. So let's check this place out. Okay, so time for some off-roading skills. Let's see the place closer. So there is this place called Tall Timbers which has opened recently. This place is supposed to open by 1 and I'm here at 9, so I don't think it is open yet. But wow, this property was amazing. For a minute I felt I was not even in India. And yes, they are not open before 1. They do have cottages here for stay as well. But this place is really beautiful. Okay, so time to get back to our room. If you are on your way to Cherrapunji, you will come across this cafe called Cafe Cherrapunji. The location of this cafe is very scenic. So it's around 10:30 a.m. and I've reached Mok Tok Bridge viewpoint. This spot actually gives a splendid panoramic view of the valley. And time for a tea break. Time to get going before the rains roll in. At this point, I can feel the tiny raindrops hitting my visor. The clouds were slowly drifting down the valley. This route is a paradise for waterfall lovers. And I have arrived exactly where I wanted to be. Something about this place feels incredibly calm. Ride safe, keep exploring.